In this video, I will show you how to log into Instagram without a recovery code. Now, let's say you're logged out on your Instagram. All you have to do is to tap on Forgot Password, type in your username, email, or mobile number. As for my account, I have Save Login Info option. So if you don't have that, you just have to click on Try Another Way. And then if you no longer have access to your email or anything about that, you can just click on No Longer Have Access to This, and then try on another way. Now, you just have to state the reason why you don't have access to your Instagram account or you don't have access to your email. So let's say that the login code was sent to a mobile number that I no longer have access to. You can just click on this, yes, take selfie video to confirm my account. So when you have a post, you have a picture of your account, you can just click on that and you will be able to redeem your account. Now you can just add in another email on your account. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.